Magandang umaga, magandang hapon at magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Ito po ang inyong lingkod, si JomarX, and today we will be discussing the Firewad's, the designer, AAP01 M4 adapter. This is the AAP01 and it has, this is an M4 adapter designed by Firewad. He is based in Hong Kong. And this enables the AAP01 and it uses the Glock mags as a gas source, still as a gas source, see? No gels, no BBs, only gas, and no more gas. Need to gas this up. Pose. As I said earlier, this enables the AAP01 to still use the Glock mags to fire. See? The gas mags is only used for literally gas. And the M4 mags, whatever it may be, as a, see, you can see the pathway here, as source. Gas, BBs, goes through here. Okay? Because there's far too many questions, so I better explain. Okay. First one, the AAP01 adapter by Firewad. There should be a better name for this one. M4 lowers the usual name, but on what it is called, it's I don't know because it's patented or what, I don't know. This is the original. This is the version 1. Looks so beautiful. This is my first print. As you can see, I think I moved the babies from here. Okay, so this is the M4. First, it's the explanation. It has, this is the, oh, the lock fell. It has an adapter that enables it to get BBs from here. And it goes through here. See, it's a BB route. Goes here, forward. This, everything falls. This is also a 3D printed tube. See, cute. That can pass BBs. Pass it through there and into the maglet. See? Maglet is there. If we put the magazine, everything falls. Hello. Pose again. Actually, it's easier to demo from here. See, this is still the AP01 all stock with rails, and I put the SRO. This is still working. So, just press and split. So it's easier to understand. See, the BBs from the mag goes here, here, and another route here to here. Huh? See. Yeah. The AP internals is from the magazine, no, from the lower to here. Although the slide catch has been removed because it's not technically not needed anymore, and the safety is gone also, so you need to be careful. Well, there's still the fingers trigger safety here. Okay. And triggers here, the springs here. And the magazine, see, the BBs comes from here, from the magazine. And the gas still from this mag. And still standard AAP. It's very simple actually. Uh, I don't know who came first to market, the Maxis Max something or this one. I don't know. This is at least 8 times cheaper than the Max something one. Durability, I don't know. Well, as long as you don't dive, and that's probably made from nylon or a stronger material. This is only PLA plus. So if ever, if it breaks, print the crack part. Oh, I forgot. Version 1, version 1.1. It has, this is removable. So if you want to design a different mag grips, like the, I don't know, there's a AAP lower that has this design. You can change. Cool. Uh, I'm not very good with designs or how to make it look cool. I'm really open to what can be made on this one. I'm looking for ideas. Simple. AAP everything. Upper. Sorry. And complete. As long, there's also a gap here. So if you're using a different upper, you can use it. Or use uh, Firewad's upper. You can see the video here. It will be soon available in the store. Still works. Fire. Charge. One thing also is that if this is the entry level part, if you don't have the HPA set yet, use the mag. But if you have the budget, another option is that same magazine and add a standard HPA top. Then this is very cheap, around 150 pesos. Link in the description. Then get an HPA. Actually, this is the cheapest way to have not a GBBR. Yes, probably a GBBR, because tank you can get 5,000, 7,000 brand new second hand. 5,000. Uh, this cheap China HPA regulator that can go up to 300 PSI, 300 plus. I need to review this one. This one, you can get this and this for around 2,000 something. So, that always scares me. So, no, this first. Then, okay. Then, HPA. This. And do not hit the cell phone. See? Nice. Very nice. And if you use the M4, no, the carbine kit, you have a GBBR. Yeah. So, this took far too long. So, if you have any comments, suggestions, violent reactions, do not hesitate to put it down in the comment section down below, and I'll answer it as soon as possible. So, muli, paalam! Ching!